There are many benefits to having a credit card. Many of the common ones you may be familiar with, such as having money in case of an emergency, or being able to purchase a large item up front and then make payments on it. However, there are a few other benefits that you may not have even considered, particularly if this is your first time shopping for a credit card. Knowing both the benefits and disadvantages of having a credit card in your wallet or purse allows you to make an educated decision and determine if you want to get your own card. Credit cards allow you to buy something on credit, without having to apply with the store you are purchasing from or with any other creditor. You are pre-approved for a specific line of credit, and you can charge up to that amount. The availability of a large credit limit in the case of an emergency makes having a credit card a great idea, as does the ability to pay for a purchase over time, assuming that you have a competitive interest rate on your card. An added benefit to having your own account is that each time you use it responsibly, you will build a positive credit history. However, some credit cards offer additional incentives such as rewards. These rewards can come in the form of cash back, or they may be points that you can spend in particular locations. A common use for points accumulated on your card is airline tickets, hotel rooms, or rental car fees. Most card companies give you 1 point for every dollar that you spend, and each one will have a different value for the points that you earn. If you can afford to pay off your balance in full each month, you can earn a lot of reward points to spend on a vacation or expenses that you would have otherwise footed the bill for. Some companies offer purchase protection, or protection when buying items that turn out to be faulty, or not as advertised. In many cases, the company will go to bat for you, and even reverse the charge if they determine that the merchant was at fault in your dispute. Some credit companies also offer protection on items that are lost or stolen, such as airline tickets or even electronics. This will depend entirely upon your policy, so check your contract for details, but most credit card companies offer some kind of insurance on items purchased with your credit card. One thing to keep in mind when it comes to consumer protection is that you need to be aware of the terms and conditions that govern that policy before you begin spending. Some credit providers won't cover any disputes on purchases made outside your home area, such as a 100-mile radius, and some won't cover items bought over the telephone or online. Also, there may be a minimum amount that you have to spend before they will get involved. In almost every case, you'll need to try to work out things with the merchant first, and ask your card company to get involved only when these negotiations completely fail.